Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to sign Dotloop document. So the first step is to navigate to an initial or signature. So open up the document you need to sign and navigate to the field that requires your signature, as you can see here, and then make sure the field is assigned to you. So if the field is not currently assigned to you, you can reassign it by clicking on the field and choosing your name from the top menu. And then simply click, as you can see, once the field is assigned, hover mouse over the field and choose sign now from the drop down, and you will be prompted to start signing. So as you can see, you're gonna have to simply adopt your signature. So the very first box that needs your signature or initial on document will ask you to adopt your signature, and basically you're gonna have to simply click on this, or if you want, you can draw your signature, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.